You just installed a brand new sensor, but it might be asleep. How do you wake up a sensor so it starts communicating with the TPMS system? We're going to find out how next.
This video is sponsored by Bartech USA, TPMS professionals. Visit bartechusa.com for more information.
You just put a brand new sensor on a vehicle. Now it's not communicating with the tool or the vehicle itself. So what's going on here? Well, sensors are typically shipped to your shop in a sleep mode. This sleep mode conserves the battery, so this product has a long shelf life. To wake up the sensor, it might be a variety of things. It might be the TPMS tool to program it, or it could be a rapid inflation or deflation of the tire itself. Make sure that you look at the instructions that come with the sensor to find out how to bring it out of sleep mode before you get it on the vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.